Hi, my name is Jay Lepore, and I'm the owner of a computer store called CompuMatter. We have probably installed 5,000 or more copies of Windows, all the way back from XP on up to today's, maybe 10,000. I don't know what the number is, but it's very large. And we've never had the benefit of WDS or MDT because the processes and procedures are inherently complex. So first of all, let me tell you something that I've learned that I didn't know going into all of this. WDS is installing over a network. MDT is installing from a USB drive or a DVD. This video series is about WDS. You can download a free copy of Windows Server 2019. It's actually a trial, but it's good for 6 months. And if you decide to buy it after that, I think $500 or so, you can do that. And with that, you can install it on a virtual machine. When you get done with this series, you'll be able to use that server environment in a virtual server environment to install Windows Home or Pro on any computer that is on the same network. So if your server is getting its DHCP from the router that you currently use for your business, you don't have to change anything. And then all the other systems will automatically, if they're set to what's called network boot or PXE boot, also called Pixie boot, it'll actually send out a ping looking for the WDS environment. That's what that does. And if WDS hears it, it's going to send back the installation information so that thing takes off and running. So this thing was complex enough to where I turned over every rock that I could find on the internet and really couldn't find anything that I thought stepped through it nearly as well as what we're giving you here. But there is a fellow I have to give a shout out over at Craft Computing who really did a good job. And he stepped me through probably 80% of what I needed to know. And he wasn't using VirtualBox, and that created some other things, and I didn't want to switch that environment. But I eventually worked it all out, filled in the blanks, researched a little bit more, and in the final analysis decided, okay, now I need to turn around and create a video that teaches the world what I've learned through this process. And it's also, frankly, it's also going to give me something to look back on. So should my whole world evaporate for some reason and I need to create this environment all over again, although I have the documentation, it's going to be much easier to step through with the video. But anyway, I hope it gives you as much benefit as I would like it to, and that it saves you a lot of the time and trouble that I've gone through to master this process. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Bye-bye.